Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the advanced long-range FPV Quadcopter, a drone that promises quite a bit, especially for those looking to get into aerial photography or FPV flying with some serious range. Right off the bat, the standout feature is its long-range capability. This drone boasts an impressive remote distance capability stretching up to 2,000 meters. That's a significant range, suggesting it's built for exploring vast landscapes and capturing perspectives you simply couldn't get otherwise, far beyond just flying in your backyard. When it comes to capturing those views, it comes equipped with a 1080p camera. This isn't just for show, it's designed to capture high-resolution videos and photos, making it a solid choice for anyone serious about aerial photography. The effective still resolution is listed at 12 megapixels, which should provide decent detail for prints or sharing online. It's positioned as a drone with a camera that can deliver quality footage. For those new to the world of drones, especially adults, the beginner-friendly design is highlighted as a major plus. It features an intuitive control system that aims to flatten the learning curve, making that first flight less intimidating and more accessible for users of all skill levels. Flight stability is crucial, especially when you're flying at range or trying to get smooth video. This quadcopter utilizes an advanced F722 flight controller paired with an H-shaped frame design. This combination is engineered to provide a stable flight experience and allow for precise maneuvering and responsiveness, which is key for both smooth video capture and confident flying, positioning it as a capable FPV drone. Looking at the construction, it incorporates a mix of metal, plastic, and carbon fiber. This blend suggests a focus on durability while keeping the weight manageable for flight, aiming for longevity in its design. A modern touch is the built-in Bluetooth technology. This allows for easy parameter adjustments directly from your mobile phone via an app. This kind of connectivity enhances the flying experience by letting you fine-tune settings without needing a separate controller interface or computer connection, adding a layer of customization and convenience. So, whether you're an adult looking to get into the drone hobby, an FPV enthusiast seeking a long-range option, or someone who simply wants a capable drone with a camera for capturing stunning aerial footage, this advanced long-range FPV quadcopter appears to be a versatile contender designed to elevate your aerial adventures.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.